Hey, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Now, I told y'all, let's keep an eye on the USD JPY. This news come out. Now, the rate decision was 5.0. So, they were expecting 5.0. They received 5.0. It didn't really move the market very much in any direction. It showed basically dollar weakness because we were already looking at dollar weakness, and since they went to the same thing that was expected at the 5.0, it was just a 25% point rate. We didn't really see any dollar strength, and so we're going to go check our trade, the USD JPY. I didn't actually enter any trades today, but this is the setup we could have had. The JPY, USD JPY was right in that area where the yellow line is. We would have had a tight stop and then a take profit somewhere down in this area. That would have been a good trade. You see the big red candle. It did move quite a bit from that news, but we're looking for better trades with some good high impact news. So tomorrow we're going to be looking at the GBP USD. Some GBP news comes out. The USD is kind of weak, so we're going to look at that. Okay, we're going to do a trade update while we're here. We're going to go look at our we're still in the positive a pretty good bit. You know, ladies and gentlemen, these trades here were pure technical trades. I'm going to go ahead and move this stop loss on down to a right above break even. We could go ahead and take profit. Might not be a bad idea. This trade's been moving pretty slow. We're a pretty good ways into it, but I'm going to let it go. We're still a good ways into profit. That's our, we're about a third of the way. We'll let it go. This is not my normal trading style. We had the one trade the other day that hit the first night. So we're in the profit on this one still. And we were in the profit on the other one. And we're still in the profit on this one. So we're about halfway there on this one to our profit target. A little less than halfway, I'd guess. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, everything's going good. We already made enough money on that first trade to pay for any losses. But while we're here, let's move this stop loss down. And we would adjust all this in our MetaTrader. And I will show you how to do that. Basically, you just take those numbers right there and you're going to put them on your stop loss. It's a SL on your MetaTrader platform. We will work on that later, or you can actually go on YouTube and do a MetaTrader tutorial. But that's good for today, ladies and gentlemen. You could actually move that red line down to your yellow line and have a break-even trade now. If anything bad happened, it would just break even. You know what I'm saying? So you could place that stop loss right on your yellow line, or use that same number for your stop loss number. And then if it goes up and hits, you're not going to lose any money. Just your broker fees, your spreads. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Be sure and stay tuned. I think tomorrow morning we got some GBP news coming out at 7 in the morning. Tomorrow will probably be a little less hectic for me and spend a little more time looking at things. Yep, looks like tonight it looks like 8 a.m. in the morning. GBP, GBP. Unless my clock's off. But, you guys have a good one. And this is CC over and out. I hope y'all enjoyed it. But did you notice, let me just make a, did you notice that today when the news did come out, it did start moving and it just went on down? That's a pretty good candle for 4 hours. So the news did push it, but it was not a hard and fast push, because if that news would have been very powerful, it would have went way down past that take profit line very quickly. That one candle could have pushed that far. But you guys can see today the news was up there until the news come out, and then it started going down. That's how the news works. The news was the fundamental driver. That's why news is so important. Okay, guys, I hope this helped you understand how the market works a little better, and happy trading.